Welcome to the product snapshot of our IBS PegBoard. IBS PegBoard is a practical and highly perforated hardboard panel as a multi-purpose storage and decorative solution. IBS PegBoard comes in raw or pre-primed and is available in a multitude of sizes. It is ideal as a storage panel in the workshop, garden shed, kitchen, office, as well as for store displays and wire management. IBS PegBoard can be easily cut to size with normal woodworking tools and painted to match any chosen decor. IBS PegBoard is Super E0, meaning very low formaldehyde, and has no added chemicals or resins. Visit our website for more information as well as available sizes and merchant stockists.